BX044, United Kingdom, calling and listening. With anybody, just start the boat after
CQ 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States, listening.
Anyway, you guys have a good day out there. 26 BX044. 26 Delta X-Ray 044, calling BX and listening.
CQ 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, listening. It's the station in Iowa. I have a little bit of QRM on this side. I got some stations from the UK coming in, but I do hear you. 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States, listening.
Yeah, 324 in Maine. This is 106 in Iowa. We copy you, but QRM is heavy, okay?
Roger that, 106 Iowa. Roger that, 106. We got you. You sounded good in Maine. We have some stations from the UK coming in, but we got you. Good morning to you, sir. Back to you. It's very cold up here in Maine, by the way. Back to you.
Yeah, roger on that. It's cold up here in Iowa, too. It's about 30 degrees right now, but we got a good copy on here now.
Roger that, sir. Very good. Just for your information, if you could still hear me, I'm recording a video I'm going to post on YouTube a little bit later on tonight. If you Google your call sign and your state on YouTube a little bit later, correction, if you YouTube search your call and state on YouTube tonight, you should come across the video so you can hear how you sound. Back to you.
44, United Kingdom, calling DX and listening.
Alright, so I'm going to have to wave a hand. I got some stations coming in pretty loud right now. They're knocking you out. I'll say 7-3 and do a YouTube search a little bit later on tonight, and you should be able to hear yourself and see how you sound up here in Maine. I'll say 7-3. 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States, listening. CQ 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, listening.
Georgia, about 8145 Georgia, about through Irish Rover 52, Northern Ireland, call.
CQ 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States, listening.
Georgia, how about a Fred? Irish Rover 52, Northern Ireland, plan for you, Fred, are you?
CQ 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States, listening. I believe it was DX044. I believe that's the call. Station calling the 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, United States. We're listening.
324 Mobile, the 324 Mobile. This is 26 DX0 for United Kingdom. You're 555 to 570.
Roger that, United Kingdom. Very good. Good morning, sir. You have 5x5 also in northern Maine. You have Tom on this end, Tango Oscar Mike. You sounded choice this morning. 324 in the Mobile, listening.
324 Mobile, DX044 returning. Radio Canada, 405 back off the key.
Station in the UK, okay, very good, understood, a little bit of QRM. Alright, I don't want to tie up the frequency, I'll wave a hand, say good morning, sir. 7-3 for now. This is the 324 Mobile, Springfield, Maine, on the side. Station calling the 324 Mobile. Try it one more time, please. This is the 324 in the Mobile, backwoods of Springfield, Maine. Go ahead. Quick video. I know it sounds geeky, but just to show you the capabilities of CB radio, emergency communications. Heard some stations. I heard Ireland. Made a quick contact with the United Kingdom. I believe you said he was near England. I'm just not sure. Anyway, yeah, it sounds geeky, but if you had to, CB radio is still dependable to reach out and touch somebody. So, don't break my balls for sounding like a geek, but if it ever hit the fan and you had to reach out and talk to the rest of the world for any reason, CB radio is still a place to go. All right. Again, don't break my balls for sounding like a geek. It's still CB, but it works. Bottom line. All right, people. We'll talk to you later. Bye.